Hello, dear students. I am Samir Velankar and I welcome all of you to this another video on multi-way search tree, that is B and B plus tree. In this video, we will solve some GATE questions asked on B and B plus tree. Let's start with GATE 2015 question. It was on B plus tree. Now the question says that with reference to the B plus tree, we are given a B plus tree index of order 3 shown below. So B plus tree is having order 3. By order 3 we mean that if you consider a node, then node can have maximum 3 children. Order 3 means the node has 3 pointers. That is, it can point to maximum 3 children. Then we can have key K1, key K2. That's it. Only 2 keys can be stored because K1 will have a pointer to its left as shown here. K1 will have pointer to its right, which is shared with the left pointer of K2. K1 and K2 will share this pointer and K2 will have a right pointer. So if there are 3 pointers, that is order is 3, then there can be 2 keys inside any node. Now if there are 2 keys inside any node, then the rule states that the node must be at any time at least half filled. So imagine you create a node and you know the capacity of this node is 2 keys. You can store 2 different keys in this. Then you must store at least 1 key in this. Now that is obvious, isn't it? Anybody would say, yeah, we will not leave the node empty, then why will we create it? But at least 1 key has to be stored. So we will have at least 2 children. And 1 key can be wasted as I am striking out this K2 place. Okay, you don't have another key, fine, you can waste it. But in case you store that second key also, well and good. Means you are utilizing the entire node, isn't it? You have stored both the keys. So you are using the node to fullest of its capacity. Good. So there can be third pointer active now and it can point to a child. Okay, come again. Order of the tree given is 3. Order is 3 means there can be 3 children. 3 pointers are there. So there can be 2 keys. 2 keys in each node. Maximum 2 keys. Then minimum 1 key has to be there because the node has to be at least half filled. You cannot underutilize the node. You know all these rules. Okay, let's continue. What's given further? Order is 3. The minimum number of nodes, question continues, minimum number of nodes including the root node that must be fetched in order to satisfy the following query. The query is get all records with a search key greater than or equal to 7 and less than or equal to 50. So how many nodes must be fetched is the question. Fetched means these nodes are in the memory. So our program will have to reach the node in the memory and fetch it, isn't it? That is read these nodes to search values which are greater than or equal to 7 and which are less than 15. We want the values between 7, equal to 7 is also included, but less than 15. So how many nodes will you fetch? Now obviously you want 7 or more but less than 15. So your search will begin with root node, isn't it? Because that's the only node we know in any tree. So you will visit node and root node and you will say I want to search 7. So according to rules, 7 must be to the left of 9 because 7 is less than 9. You know the rules of B and B plus tree. So what you have done is you have fetched this node, isn't it? Because you are reading something from this node. So one node has been already fetched, but we know it doesn't store 7. So we will have to visit left. And after visiting left, when we reach this node, listen, we are searching 7, isn't it? So we know that 7 must be to the right of 5 It is larger than 5, so we reach this node, isn't it so? But then we have already fetched second node also. Now on reaching the leaf which I am encircling, this is a leaf node, we find 7. 7 is found, isn't it? So we are fetching the third node now and we get 7. But the question is, we were not interested only in 7. Sorry. We were not interested only in 7, but 7 or higher. So what we do, we use the property of B plus tree, and we know that the node which I have encircled, the leaf, is already connected to the next node using a pointer, isn't it? You know all leaves are at same level, that's why it is balanced, and leaf nodes are connected using a pointer. So once we reach the next leaf, you see, which I am encircling, we will get 9 and 11. So we know the keys are 7, 9, 11, and then we again use the next pointer. Check, the next pointer will take us to 13, 15. So we'll get the next two keys also, 13, 15. But then we have fetched the fourth node, that is 9, 11, and we have fetched the fifth node, that is 13, 15. And once we reach 13 itself, we don't need 15, isn't it? We want less than 15. Check the question. But then once we reach 13, we will stop. But then we have fetched the fifth node, isn't it? So the total number of nodes that are fetched are 5. So the answer to this question, how many nodes will be fetched? Answer is B. Okay, before we close the discussion of this question, let me check your knowledge on B plus tree. Suppose the question is changed here. Question is, check all the keys which are greater than or equal to 9 instead of 7. 9. And the keys which are less than 15. Then how many nodes will you fetch is the question. So if you want 9 or equal to 9 and less than 15, your search will obviously start with root, correct? And the root node is storing 9. So I hope you are understanding that this 9 is stored again in one of the leaf nodes, and we have to reach that leaf node, and only then we can announce that 9 is found. When 9 is found in the leaf, we say, okay, 9 is found. Although 9 is found in the root node, we won't terminate our search here saying that 9 is found. Isn't it so? But then at least we know that 9 is present, and it is present right at the root. So one node has been fetched. Isn't it so? Now you watch in this B plus tree, the values which are greater than or equal to are stored to the right. Now in the class before, in the video before, when we saw B plus tree, if you had 9 in the root and you wanted to store 9 again, then I taught you that 9, if you want to store 9 again, store it to the left of 9. Isn't it? So 9 went to the left of 9. Well, these rules are set by us, by programmers. Now we took the rule as if value is repeated, then it should go to the left of the value. But in this question, they have said that if 9 has to be stored again, then 9 should be stored to the right of 9. No problem. You can see that 9, observe, 9 is actually in the right subtree, isn't it? Check the 9 here. 9 is stored in the right subtree. So surely if 9 is repeated, it is stored to the right of 9. So we reach this node, 13, 17. And we quickly know that 9 must be to the left of 13 because it is less than 13. So we are taken to the node which stores 9, 11. So this is the second node we have fetched. Which one? 13, 17 is the second node. And we have reached the third node which is storing 9, 11, and hence we have got 9 finally. The query was, I changed the question, isn't it? 9 to 15 we want. So 9, 11, this is third node fetched. Then using next pointer, we will reach the node which stores 13, 15, and we will then take 13 and leave out 15 because we want less than 15, but still we have fetched 4 nodes. Then if the question was 9 to 15, rather less than 15, then number of nodes would have been 4. Now, why I explained all this to you is because the search in B plus tree, I repeat, search in B plus tree always ends at leaf, always ends at leaf. So if suppose somebody says search 13 in this tree, just 13, we don't have range query now. Suppose you are asked to search, sir, I'm so sorry for this. You are asked to search 13. So the root node is storing 9. 13 must be then to the right of 9. And then you will say, okay, I found 13 here. You see this 13? And you will stop the search. No, it's a B plus tree. Remember, in a B plus tree, the search must stop only at leaf node. So 13 you wanted to search, but you got 13 here. But this is not the ultimate 13 you want because the 13 is again stored in one of the leaf nodes. So where can be 13? To the right of 13. According to this problem, equal values are stored to the right. Then we get 13. So if you wanted to search only 13, then the number of nodes fetched will be 1 for the root, second for 13, 17, and third here, and we get the 13 key at the leaf node. So 3 nodes will be fetched. I hope you are understanding. Otherwise, if you didn't know this, you would say, okay, we want to search 13. 13 is there. 13 is there in just to the right of 9, isn't it? And you would end up saying that 2 nodes are accessed to search 13. That's wrong. To search 13, you have to reach leaf. So 3 nodes are accessed if you want to search only 13. Okay, enough. I hope you have understood that. Now let's see GATE 2005 question. Uh, B tree now. The question is about B tree. B tree used as an index for large database. Just ignore all this because you may not have learned database management system, and the two topics B and B plus tree will be revisited again. Same topic is there in DBMS, so we will touch that topic there also. So these questions can be included in DBMS also. Okay, B tree used as an index for large database table has 4 levels, including the root node. If a new key is inserted in this index, then maximum number of nodes that could be newly created in the process are. Now you just check that they have not given order of the B tree here. But then they are saying that B tree is big enough because it has 4 levels. So if you can imagine, this is the root. Imagine root has 2 children. These are the 2 children of root. So this is level 0, isn't it? Root is at level 0, you can say. And next level, level 1. Like this, there are 4 levels they are saying. So next, this level 1 has, let's say, 2 children again. This level again has 2 children, this node, which I am pointing to. And now this is level 2. And now the third level. This is the last level. Is 4 levels, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. So imagine this also. Here also every node has 2 children. Let's keep it simple. This is the B tree we are considering. Now you watch, all leaves are at same level. All these bottommost nodes are leaf nodes. All leaves are at same level and they are not connected. Remember, it's a B tree. In B tree, leaf nodes are not connected, isn't it? Now this is level 3. So how many in all, how many levels are there? 4 levels, correct? This is what they are asking. Now they are asking, if a new key is inserted in this index, that is in this tree, if the new key is inserted, then the maximum number of nodes that could be newly created in the process are. Now check the word maximum number of nodes that can be newly created is the question. So whenever you insert any node in a B tree, recall the insertion process. Whenever you insert any new key, some key like 120 you are inserting, then that value, the new value, must always go at the leaf node. So imagine, just imagine 120, the new value we are inserting, has to go in this leaf node, the rightmost leaf node. Imagine. But this leaf node is full. It cannot accommodate 120. Then you recall split and propagate process. We will we will split this node into two parts, isn't it? The left split and the right split. And the median will be sent up, isn't it? So how many new nodes have got created? Their question is, how many new nodes will be created? Check that at the bottommost level, one new node is created. I hope you understand. There was already one node. It has been split into two, isn't it? So one node was already there, but this is the new node which has got created. Yes. Now you know that median is sent up, and imagine that median cannot be accommodated in the node which I am encircling, because the node at the top, that is parent node, is also full. Imagine the parent node is full. Then the parent node will get split, and the it will be divided into two nodes, and the median will be sent up, isn't it? So how many new nodes have got created at level 2? Check, this is level 2 we are talking about, isn't it? Level 2. One new node has got created at level 2, correct? Because one node was already there, but one new node due to split has got created. So one new. Okay. Till now we have got two new nodes. And when the median is sent up to the parent, maybe this node is also full, which I am encircling, isn't it? This is level 1 node. This is also full. Then it will be split, and one new node will be created. One node was already there. It is split, and one extra node is created, and the median is sent up. Now the worst part is root might be full, isn't it? The level 0 node, which I am encircling right now, this node also might be full. If this node is full, it will be split, and the median will be sent up to become new root. Yes, everyone. So there is one new node created at level 0. One more new node. No place here. I will overwrite here. One new node. And one root is created. In the worst case, root is split, isn't it? This root is split at level 0. Root was split. So one new node was created at level 0 and new root was created. So one more node. One new node. I hope you got it enough. So the total nodes, maximum nodes that might be created, maximum is 5. So 5 is the answer. I hope you got this. I hope. You can just replay it if you have not understood enough, but I think you understood it enough. Okay, thank you. Now let's see. GATE 2016 question. Now here, this is a very easy question. This should be solved in less than 1 minute. B plus tree are considered balanced because, why is B plus tree balanced? Because the length of the paths from root to all leaf nodes are equal. This is the answer. No need of reading other options. Because if this is root, these are the children of root, these are the children of these levels, and if these are leaves, imagine these nodes are leaves now, then length of the path from root to all the leaves is equal, isn't it? Check this. Length to all the leaf nodes is equal. I think I don't even have to explain this, because you know what is the meaning of balanced. Okay, so A is the answer. Now GATE 2003 question. Very simple but yet confusing. I mean, I don't know. GATE people should not ask such confusing questions. I mean, there is no adventure in solving this. But consider the following 2, 3, 4 tree. Now, 2, 3, 4 tree here means that a node can have two children. Okay, two children node is allowed. Or a node can have three children. Okay, three children node is allowed. Or a node can have four children. So minimum children that a node can point to is 2, minimum. Minimum 2 child. Maximum is 4 child. Now you tell me, if minimum two child nodes, 2 pointers are possible, minimum 2 pointers, then one key only can be stored. No question of storing other keys. And what if we have 3 pointers, we use 3 pointers, then 2 keys must be stored. And if we have 4 pointers, all 4 pointers utilized, then we must store 3 keys. So minimum how many keys can be stored? Minimum keys that you should store is 1 key, isn't it? And maximum you can store 3 keys. Maximum 3 keys, so maximum 4 pointers. You know that tally, isn't it? N keys, so n plus 1 pointers. So that is 2, 3, 4 tree. This has been given, and it is written minimum degree is 2. Yes, minimum number of children is 2, maximum number of children is 4. So minimum degree of this is 2, in which each data item is a letter. So actually the data is LPU, letters are stored. The usual alphabetical ordering of letters is used in constructing the tree. Now the question is, what is the result of inserting G in the above tree? Okay, this is the tree given. Let's try to insert G in this tree. Use your alphabetical order. Now G comes before L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So G comes before L. So G is smaller than L. So G must go to the left of L. And this is leaf. The last node BHI is a leaf. So G must join here. Now G must join between B and H, isn't it? It should be B, G, H, I, because you know that node must be sorted. So the node must store BGHI. But how can you store BGHI? Hello, I hope you are understanding. The node can store at most 3 keys, isn't it? Node can store at most 3 keys. But now how can you store G in this? At most 3 keys, because 4 pointers are allowed, maximum 4, na? So you cannot store G. Then what you will do is you will use split and propagate. Yes, everyone? Because node is overflown. Then it is you to decide who should be the median. Because there is no perfect median here. You can't take midpoint of BGHI, but median has to propagate up, isn't it? Now you imagine that you appoint G as the median. So G will go to the root, isn't it? G will go to the root. So it should be what? GLPU. Yes, it should be sorted. So G joins LPU, the root. And we get a new node here, B. Check this. And we get a new node, HI. Check this. And G has been propagated up to the parent. But how can parent store 4 keys again? GLPU, not possible, isn't it? It can't store GLPU. Then you will have to split the root and propagate the median. Now, who is the median? It can be L or P, either of the two. There is no perfect midpoint. Whom will you appoint as median? It should be L. Come on, it should be L. Because when it was BGHI, you appointed the left candidate as the median. You didn't appoint right candidate H as the median. So you have to be consistent with your decision, isn't it? I hope you are understanding. Now this time suddenly you can't say I will appoint third key as the median, that is P, and P will go up to the root. So be consistent, and L will be sent up. Oh, I'm so sorry. L will be sent up to become a new root. And this G will be the left split and PU will be the right split. And L has been propagated to the so if at all we appoint G, the second key, if at all we appoint G, the second key as the median, then again L, the second key as the median, every time the node is full, then we will get root as L, And the left child of root, what will be the left child of root? It will be G, and right child of root will be PU. Let's see whether we have any such option. Check that. Just see, we don't have, I think, any option where L is the root. Definitely this option C is out of question. Out of question. Root will get split. Definitely. We have seen root will get split. So you can't have a tree only with two levels now, because the node was overflown in the leaf. Let's see. Option B. Option B has P at the root. And option A also has P at the root. So definitely what they must have done is, they must have appointed third key as the root, isn't it? If you appoint third key as the root, only then P will go at the root. Let's see. Third key as the median. I am sorry. They must have appointed third key as the median. So what did you see here? Check this. We are inserting G. G is less than L. So G must be added to the left of L. So the node here must be BGHI at the leaf. But then you can't store BGHI in one node. So you are appointing H as the median. So BG becomes one node and I becomes other node. Now H propagates to the parent. Who is the parent of this leaf? BHI. It is LPU, isn't it? So H joins LPU. So it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So H comes before L. So it should be HLPU. But this node is again overflown. How can you store HLPU in one node? Then be consistent with your decision. P should be the median, the third key. The third key was appointed as median. It went in the root. And now the left child of P is going to be HL. I hope you are understanding this. And the right child is going to be U. So the best option that fits here is not this one. P is the root, although we got P as the root, but GL is the left child. No, this is wrong. And the correct option is P with the left child as HL and right child as U. Check that. This is what we were saying. P is the root and HL is the left child and right child is U. At the bottom level, BG is one node and I is the other node. This was due to left split and right split that we got. So option B is correct. Try it out again. Try it. Replay the video. I hope you will understand, because you know the insertion algorithm. Whenever the node is full, we will split the node and propagate the median. Here the confusing aspect was who will be the median. So after watching this P at the root, we understood that the third key should be median, because at this level, we get four keys and P is the third key. So third key was propagated up. So from here also, at the bottom level also, third key should be propagated up. You can try this. B is the correct option. Thank you very much.